I'm Prince Chaudhary reporting for Pune Times Mirror. We are live opposite the Lemon Tree Hotel, just very close to the railway station right ahead. As you can see here, this is a very low divider with just a small red barricade type of a plastic has been put up here. This place, a lot of accidents have taken place recently, where just 2 weeks ago a car mounted this divider and got stuck, completely damaging the under part of the car. This is a serious issue. A lot of accidents have taken place here. Autos have banged because there are no radiums, there are no signals, nothing to warn commuters who are coming from this direction, which is Pune Camp, Nanapet and other places. So they suddenly come upon this divider. There should be a radium board in front, like we just saw ahead near the Sadhu Vaswani Chowk. So suddenly vehicles come across this, especially while overtaking, get on top of the divider, mount it, and then get stuck, damaging the underbelly of the car or of the vehicle. Two-wheelers overtaking suddenly come across the divider and are unable to brake on time and ram into this, collide with it head-on, causing the two-wheeler to fall down, and especially if they are with their families, it can result in fatalities and death. This is something that needs to be looked into by the traffic department immediately. A signboard has to be put up here, a radium signboard, warning that this is a low divider. And as you can see from here, the divider has been damaged. This is due to an impact either by a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler. So the traffic department needs to look into it immediately and put up a radium tape here to make sure that pedestrians, especially commuters, do not come across this part of the starting point of the road separator, the concrete road separator, which is just opposite Lemon Tree Hotel, and cause damage to the vehicles. If it's a two-wheeler, it can impact this starting point, topple and fall over on the way of oncoming vehicles and get crushed under the wheels of a car or a tempo or a bus. So Lemon Tree is right there ahead. As you can see, this divider is right opposite that. We are now taking a walk towards Lemon Tree. So the other side, coming in from Pune station and from Jahangir Hospital, there are radium tapes there. This is Lemon Tree Hotel and the divider is right opposite that. That way is railway station, Pune railway station. So as you can see, vehicles coming from the other side face a clear and present danger, because while overtaking, and especially at night when the visibility is low, and now that the monsoons are coming up, visibility will be very poor. So vehicles can crash into this like they have done in the past. Like we said just about 2 weeks ago, a car mounted on this. This is the clear and present danger and poses a lot of threat to commuters. In the past, Pune Mirror had carried such kind of stories, but no change has been made. Traffic department needs to solve this issue immediately before others are injured and fatalities occur. This low-level divider is a cause for several accidents which have taken place here. Just 2 weeks ago, our car mounted this low divider and got stuck. Entire underbelly of the car, the chassis was damaged. There are no dividers here. This place has been prone to several accidents in the past where there was a similar problem. We are opposite, very near the Pune station, Pune railway station. Over here, at least there is some kind of a barricade put up so that cars do not mount the road separator when they suddenly come across it. Road separators need to be of a certain height, and then only are they not a risk for commuters, especially four-wheelers, two-wheelers included, but especially four-wheelers. Over here you can see there is a warning, like a radium board has been put up, but the rest of the way there are no, the divider should should have a height of at least 4 to 5 feet so it doesn't pose a threat to commuters. Prince Chaudhary signing off for Pune Times Mirror.